ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So, kumusta po kayo? No? Gusto ko lang pong sabihin, first of all, na na-miss ko po ang paggawa ng content, no? Pag-upload. No, matagal-tagal na hindi po ako nakapag-upload. Ang dami pong nangyari, no? The past months, no, weeks, no, meron ding mga ginagawa kasi sa bahay. No, so siguro hindi ako nagkakaroon ng time to upload, at kung meron mang time siguro factor na din yung yung motivation, no. Pero ayun, I'm just happy to be doing a content again, and ayun, nakita nyo naman sa ating title, no, na I'll be doing a review of a local niche brand, no. Nakakatuwa, no, lalo for me. This is one of the goals ng channel na to, no, na makapag-support tayo sa local, no. So ayun, before anything else, shout outs kay Sir AJ Patawaran, and of course, no, Sven, no, maraming salamat po for the trust, no. And before anything else, no, gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo yung scent of the day ko. Of course, my scent of the day, this is called Faith Woman from the House of Amouage, no. Actually, tinetest ko siya, no, binibenta ko rin, no, pero siguro I'm really keen on keeping it, no. So this is one of the frags that I've been testing lately, and one also of those frags na tinetest ko lately is called Epices Exquises, no, from Guerlain, no. This is Aqua Allegoria variation of the Le Absolu de Orient line. But yeah, anyway, gagawa natin to ng review very soon. So yun, going back, no, a local niche brand by Sir AJ Patawaran called Sven, no. And ayun, no, currently they have 3 fragrance, no, from their collection or their offerings, no. Black Wing, Rum Cola, and Vodka Lime. So among those, no, among the three, no, na offering nila, we will be giving our thoughts dito po sa Vodka Lime. Ayan, no, Vodka Lime by the House of Sven, no. This is a 2025 release, no. I believe nakilala ang Sven 2024, late 2024. Now, they've been in the community for some time, no, pero siguro yung traction ay dumating ng around 2024. But yeah, anyway, no, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo. So this is the box, no, ng Sven, no, very simple pero elegant, no. Actually, this is the ribbon, no, Sven din nakalagay dyan, no. Hindi ko na siya nagawa, no, na may ribbon pa, no, kasi nga dumating to sa akin actually 2 weeks ago pa, no, and because of the schedule and everything, ngayon ko lang siya mabibigyan ng review talaga. So this is the box, no, the ribbon, no, and this is the bottle, no. This is a magnetic cap, no, and a really good quality na atomizer, and also, yeah, if you could see, this is a pressurized atomizer, no. Tingin ko naging trend din yan lately sa mga frags natin, no, sa local scene, no. So this is also a pressurized atomizer, no. So may magandang effect yun, no. For me personally, gusto ko rin ng pressurized, but ayun, no, that's a presentation, the box, the bottle, the sprayer, the cap, no, and everything else. And notes, no, by the way, makikita nyo rin po sa Fragrantica. Naka-proud lang kasi mas marami tayong local brands, no, na napupunta sa Fragrantica, no. And I'm happy, no. Halimbawa, niche brands like Renatelier, local niche brands, no, of course, Parfums Astro, no, Sven, no, and Orca, no. At ang iba pa, nakatuwa lang, no, kasi that means na we're taking, kumbaga, yung we are taking a more higher or more international na stage when it comes to, you know, introducing our perfumes. Ayun, no? So notes, top notes ng Vodka Lime are lime, mint, and lemon. And middle notes are vodka, cucumber, chamomile, and base notes are mineral notes, ambroxan, and leather. Ayan, no? So, how does it smell for me, no? Kumusta yung scent profile niya, kumusta yung smell niya for me? So, for me, this starts off as a burst ng cool or malamig na lime and lemon, no? So ganun siya, cool na citrus, astringent, may sourness na may konting sweetness, bright na parang watery. So, you know, I think that's how you would describe the smell of lime, di ba? Parang ganun, no? Parang lime na nasa tubig. No, then biglang the lime becomes mildly alcoholic for me, and mas nababawasan yung sweetness, most probably because of the vodka, no? Kasi may vodka to, no? You could see naman, no? This is called vodka lime, no? And I'm trying to find a frag, no, na I would also introduce later. But anyway, yeah, this has rather vodka, no? And siguro it does not go too much alcoholic kasi it has cucumber, no? Yung cucumber kasi, di ba, imagine the smell of cucumber, para siyang green, fresh and green na watery, parang gano'n, no? Hindi siya green na parang damo, eh. Green siya na parang vegetable, parang gano'n, di ba, na nasa tubig. So gano'n, no? And slightly earthy. Then afterwards, you see the mineral accord, no? And when it comes in, parang it smells, it adds to the airy, to the watery, to the salty, pero overall clean feels to the perfume, no? And may makikita kayong leather dyan, pero for me personally, yung leather, no, it serves as, paano ba, para siyang background, no? Hindi siya forward, hindi siya, you know, the known leather fragrances, halimbawa from Tom Ford, hindi siya ganun, eh. Siguro it adds weight lang, it adds heft lang sa fragrance, pero basically the leather is not forward, no? It's still fresh, no? It's still airy, it's still watery, no? It's still, you know, citrusy, no? Without being too sour, no? Without being too tangy, parang ganun, no? And the hero notes for me, the forward notes really are lime and vodka. So yun yung scent profile niya for me, no? And siguro one of the things that I'm doing, no, pag ako'y nagre-review ng perfumes ay yung scent associations. And I don't know if okay, so wala sa akin, no? Wala dito sa shelf ko ngayon kasi nag-ayos ako konti, no, sa shelf ko. Wala ngayon dito, hindi ko na prepare, sorry, no, yung isang perfume na I'm associating this with. So yun, perfume associations is one of those that I try to include din, no, when I review a perfume, so as you can have an idea somehow, no, of the fragrance, no. Pero again, no, this is in no way a clone of something, no. I do the perfume associations again para magkaroon lang kayo ng idea. So what are the perfumes that this reminds me of, no? Number one, it is for me a bit in the direction of Creed Aventus. So most of us know the scent profile of Creed Aventus, no? That is easily one of the most cloned perfumes in the local market, no? And para siyang may ganong direction, no? Because maybe of the lemon, siguro it's Aventus, no? Because of the lemon use, no? Pero again, this is in no way a clone. I'm just saying na siguro may ganong direction yung lemon niya. Parang there are whiffs of the fragrance na it would kind of remind you konti ng Creed Aventus. And ayun, no, yung isa pang perfume association ko dito, yun yung hinahanap ko, no, hindi ko siya nahanda, no, nakalimutan ko, but anyway, no, yung isa pa na nire-remind ako nito, no, ng vodka lime, not because of the scent profile, but because of the vodka use, no, that very smart na vodka use is called Ambre Rouge, no. I have Ambre Rouge, one of for me one of the best boozy fragrances no na I have tried no. Vodka use no, of course, Ambre Rouge ng Parfum d'Empire, meron siyang champagne, meron siyang vodka no, kasi ang trend kasi sa fragrance game ngayon no, pansin ko for a long time na din naman no, the rum no, of course the angel share na profile no, yung sweet na boozy note no, and when someone uses a boozy note, siguro the tendency is it smells good no, pero for me personally no, na you know, I love complexity, I love you know, yung uniqueness. Minsan the mass appeal is there no, pero siguro sometimes there are times na when you prioritize mass appeal no, may mga times no, hindi ko naman sasabing lagi, may mga times na the complexity is compromised. Well, of course no, ang ano nga naman no, ang trend ng market is of course yung masusuot nila no, and minsan lang or konti lang yung mag-gravitate towards complexity. But yeah, anyway, vodka no, kasi Ambre Rouge, a niche perfume from the niche house Parfum d'Empire, it utilizes vodka no, so vodka for me is again no, mildly alcoholic no, it's basically clean, medyo salty, medyo sour no, and para siyang mineralic no, but it's basically clean no, para pa rin siyang tubig no, pero you know, it's something no, it's alcoholic no, parang minsan nga 'di ba they say na vodka is odorless 'di ba, pero it's like water with alcohol and salt, parang gano'n no. So anyway, yun yung ano no, sabi ko nga kay brother AJ no, sabi ko napakatalino lang nung paggamit ng vodka no. Again no, sa time natin na mostly used are rum no, cognac no, sometimes it gets boring for me personally no, pero vodka for me is refreshing to be seen again sa perfumery no. So anyway, yun yung perfume associations ko. So let's go to the performance. For me, good longevity no, for me okay na kasi yung 6 hours eh, 'di ba? 6 to 7 hours okay na yon no. Yung iba kasi naghahanap ng isang araw, 18 hours, 20 hours, well, okay na ako sa 6 hours no, na I can still smell it no. Well, perfumes naman are meant to be sprayed no, so okay na ako sa 6 hours. So good longevity, average. Projection also is average no, hindi naman siya beast mode no. Yung nakikita kong reviews ng Blackwing and Rum Cola, I believe they have better projection and longevity, pero siguro no, the intention kasi is for it to be a freshy, for it to be you know, easy to wear, gum breach. So siguro the direction is you know, yung ano lang no, mass appealing lang, pero it still has character no. So yeah, ganun sa akin no, performance no, I'm pretty much satisfied. Pero here's the thing, siguro I would have to commend the sillage no, kasi every time na in-spray ko to sa bahay no, may naka-notice no, and I think the staying power sa air no is good no, maganda yung pag-hold niya, if there's a term no, pag-hold niya sa air no, parang gano'n no, okay siya sa air no, so it stays sa air for a longer time no. Sillage is the central is really good no. So yeah, performance, versatility, this is versatile no. This is for me more of a gym fragrance, pwede din sa office no, pwede din siya sa mga casual wear no. I think no, this is still okay sa mga formal wears no. It has character no, it is easy to wear no, so versatility is good, easy to wear. And yeah, final words no. Ako personally guys, alam nyo naman no, hindi ako a freshy guy no, and this is one of those sabi ko, if I will wear a freshie no, I would do so lalo sa mga frags na unique, no? Hindi ako mag-wear lang ng Freshie dahil, you know, hindi siya for me, no? Siguro, to give you an example of a Freshie that I wear, because it's unique, it's unique. This is called Chanel number 19, no? This is the EDT vintage frag, no, or variation. And I wear that, no, because not because it's a Freshie, but because it's unique. It's a unique Freshie. So this one, no, again, no, na-associate ko pa rin siya halimbawa sa Aventus, no. Pero for me, it has uniqueness because of that vodka, no. Talagang shout out, no, sa brains behind this, the creative process ni AJ, no, kasi vodka really for me, no, is really smart, and ang galing lang ng mineral notes, no, yung mineral notes, no, that makes Ganymede ng MAB, no, very unique, no, very niche because of the mineral notes. Yung cucumber, ang galing, no, it's easy to wear. It's a Freshie, pero for me, no, I define this really as niche, no, kasi there are niche frags, no, na it smells, you know, it smells really common to me, no. It's because it's released by a niche brand, kaya niche na siya, no. Pero for me, niche to, no, niche quality for me. May character siya, no, may hindi siya complex, no, pero may character, no. So yun, I commend it also for being straightforward. Alam mo agad yung direction niya, wala nang paligoy-ligoy, no. So yun lang, again, no, kudos to Sven, no, and kudos to Local Niche Perfumery. Again, no, nakabilib lang, no, na we have local niche. Siguro mas nagkakaroon ng trend, no, yung local niche, no. Of course, again, okay pa rin naman, no, okay pa rin na we have inspired brands, no. Part na yan ng market, part na yan ng local scene, part na yan ng frag community ng Pinas, no. Well, internationally naman part na yan, pero if you want to make yourself or your brand known, no, magkaroon kayo ng something different, no, you have to explore niche, you have to really study. Halimbawa si AJ, ang alam ko, nag-aral pa yan sa ibang bansa, sa perfumery, no. So nakaka-proud lang, no, nakaka-proud na we can make something like this, no. And kung kaya ng Sven, kaya ng Renatelier, no, then with studying, no, with the passion, with the, of course, the materials, no, with the sacrifices, no, ng pagbili, etc., ng mamahaling mga materials, etc., we can produce something na masasabi nating atin, no. So yeah, kudos to Sven, no. This is again vodka lime, no, and the price, no, I believe it's 2,300, no, if I'm not mistaken. So by the way, kasi, no, this is sent to me, no, this is for transparency lang, this is sent to me, no. So you could check out the price sa kanilang website or even Facebook page. And again, maraming salamat Sir AJ, no, Patawaran, and your team is Sven, no. Maraming salamat for this, for the trust, at lalong-lalo maraming salamat for making a Filipino niche brand na we can be proud of. So yun lang, guys, no. If you find this helpful, if you find this interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.